sometimes we need to be mindful of where our neck is placed, and these muscles here can become quite tight. The neck can come forward. What we're doing is a simple maneuver called a muscle energy technique. So you're going to actually take your chin down to your chest, hand over the head, and hold that head down whilst you try to bring it back up again. So we're actually contracting, making these back muscles of the neck work. Holding down and pulling back for 10 seconds. Taking a breath in and relax on the out breath. And then we're going to do it on the other side. So head down, across, and pulling up. Taking that big breath in and relax and breathe out. So you're going to do that 2 more times, and that will stretch all the way through your upper trapezius and your mid back.